Okay. Why isn't the particle effect playing? Sound we can fix. Stop scrubbing. Oh, that's a lot. That's why. Start scrubbing. Okay. Blood pool. Let's do a oh, hold on. Okay. On interact, start scrubbing. Oh, I'm not interacting with it. That's the problem. That's the problem. I'm not interacting with it, I'm hitting it. So I can actually get rid of this. That's why. Okay. Oh, we're back. No bubbles played though. So I'm actually going to shift this studio event emitter. Oh, come on. Remove. Studio event emitter. Studio event emitter. And this is, yeah, none. Right. So cleaning scrub, cleaning,
Typically an unwilling act of religious punishment. Special implements are used
cleaning reveal,
of those who have sinned. Through the suffering of the flesh, sins can be purged.
and then we have to change these to private studio event emitter, damage event emitter, death event emitter, place sound, public void awake, death image, damage, okay, damage, if we say if damage event emitter is playing, return. Okay. damage, set parameter. And say if material type equals none, or does not equal none, I should say. Yeah, put it here. Okay. Can we check if it has a parameter? Damage event emitter dot has params? What does this give us? Param ref dot where param ref equals Alright, what is this going to return? Cannot initial a buyer. Fine. Oh my goodness. What? There we go. So we're going to get the parameter where the name of the parameter is the parameter name and then set it if it exists. Okay. We'll have to double check, make sure that all works. If it's already playing, we're going to return. Otherwise, we are going to... Okay, so we can get rid of this. You guys are funny. Resources. This takes damage. Studio. This is stone. Oh, I can actually get rid of that. Okay. Because I can set them here. Renovation. Breaking down items. Add stone. Okay. This is, I think I like this better. Because before I was like, oh, I got to figure out the material type and then set the parameter. Here I can set the parameter on the thing and then I don't need this material type anymore. It makes it a little cleaner. So then if I go back to the puddle, these don't have parameters, okay. Then I go to resources, iron. We need to add the event. The event. This is hitting, and this one is breaking apart. Okay. This is metal. Metal. And then the audio damage, we just drag that one there. That one there, okay. Trees we hit as well. Studio. Studio. I think I like this a lot better. Hit. Add wood. All the way up. Add. Breakdown. Wood. All the way up. Oh, have a good night, Slater. Thank you for hanging out, buddy. Thank you so much. Okay. These don't take damage anymore. Oh no, they do. This is the throw sound. So we need new sounds here. We need new emitters. 1, 2. This one will be for the damage. This one will be for damn it. Come on. That one be for death. So this one needs to be hit. And wood. And actually, we can do metal. Make this like a 0.5 now. This is cool because we can do this kind of stuff. Inventory items. Break down. What? Inventory. That was weird. Wood, metal, 0.5, 1. That's cool. I like that a lot. What does advanced controls do? Oh, we don't. Do we need advanced controls? I guess not. We don't need this event data either, so we can clean that up. Okay. So that was the looted chest. What else do we break? The dust pile? No, but it will eventually. The other trees we have to do. I hate the fact that I didn't make prefabs of the rest of the trees. But we will make this work. So, okay. We need to add this, this is that one, this is that one, this is the axe hit, and we add wood, make it full. Technically we don't need the death, but I'm just going to set it up anyway. Renovation sounds, breakdown items, add wood all the way. Okay. It's because of what I want. Oh, you're out of here now there. Have a good night. Thank you for hanging out. Appreciate it. And those characters, that's the character that I have. All right. These are all set up. I think I did everything. This is wired up. Yep. Fmod, Fmod. All right. Is there anything else we hit and break down? We don't. Hitting the chest isn't playing over and over. I'll have to ask M about that one. 'Cause damage event. I know we said if we're playing return. But it didn't sound like it kept plane each time it took damage. We'll have to look at that. I don't want to spend too much time on it, but this was a good refactor, I think. So now let's add the chests, the looted chests. So how do we do the dust piles? The dust piles... they have a reference to the cleanup flag. Okay, so then the looted chest, we need a looted chest. Public class looted chest, mono behavior. It needs a... okay, gold, that's funny. Yep, start, we add that. We get rid of this. Looted chest, own script. And we need, and the blood pool as well, we need a reference to the game flag. Serialize field. Private game flag. Boolean game flag. Flag. Not Boolean, integer. Flag.modify 1. Okay. Because we do that here, right? Oh, we do it on start. Flag's not equal no, return. All right, let's move this to start to be like the other one. Private void start. If flag equals null, return, otherwise flag.modify equals 1. We're going to copy this. We're going to go to dust pile. Where's the lootable chest? Okay. So lootable chest. Or looted chest, I should say. So we had dust pile cleanup. We're going to change that to just item cleanup. Okay, so looted chest, and then the blood pool. Where's the blood pool? So this should all have that set, okay? So the blood pool, Also, we'll need this set to the item cleanup flag. Okay. Should we say that to the thing? Okay. Now, what pool? If is being scrubbed, return. If it's not being scrubbed, return. Okay. Okay. Now, when do I reduce the flag? I go to the dust pile. Let's go into dust pile. Is it when I spawn the bucket? It's when I spawn the bucket. So let's actually get rid of that. Oh, it's when I destroy the bucket. That's right, because I sweep up the pool, sweep up the dust into the bucket, and then I throw it. So we just need to move this on destroy over to the blood pool. Because we say destroy game object. So actually here we can just say if the flag is not null. So this actually we would say, we'll do it this way. And then we can destroy the game object. Because we already have a cleanup method for it. So that will reduce that. And then the treasure chests, the looted chests, it gets destroyed when it takes enough damage. So we will just add a on destroy here, private void on destroy, and then we'll do it here. Okay. Yeah, the buckets are a little different because the dust gets swept up into the buckets. So now I should have to destroy all the chests, clean up the blood pool, and then get rid of the buckets of dust in order to complete the clean. you. So it did not complete that. So we'll have to look into that. Okay. Let's hook into... Where is the flags? Integer flag. Just gonna change this to a make this into a function. Really? I just didn't want to type it. Fine. That was a debug.log. And we'll just print out the value. And actually we can say the name here too. So name value okay. Oh, we don't need the dollar signs in front. Okay. So we should see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 things we need to get rid of. Not counting the bodies. Bodies will be added eventually. It's almost 1. I gotta wrap this up. So we have 6. Okay. So it counted everything up correctly. Yes. So room. see here. Ooh. It only removed 2 on the dust bucket. So does that mean the... Oh, because they got disabled. Oh, okay. I didn't destroy them. I disabled them. So for the dust pile, no, not the dust pile, the blood pool, instead of saying on destroy, actually handle cleanup probably doesn't get called. Where's the looted chest? Looted chest I do on destroy. If we do on disable, actually, no. If I go to the damage receiver and I change this to destroy this .game object, there we go. That will do it. That will make it work. Something broke. So I have 1 now. So who? On blur. So destroy's probably a bad idea because it breaks the highlighter. So let's go back to disabling them, which means for the dust bucket, we'll change this to on disable. We'll change it to on disable. We'll change this to on disable. We'll change the blood pool to on disable. Right. Who's calling this? On death. This is on getting called by on death, which is fine. So actually we should rename this to health on death. instead of destroying this game object, we will do this dot game object dot set active equals false. Okay, and then the dust bucket, which is the trash cart. Trash collector. Trash. Trashable. Trash. So on the bucket, it's probably trashable. We have a trash function. No. Here we go. This dot game object dot set active equals false. We'll just do that. Okay. So that should cause this. Now we got to figure out which one it's not firing. So let's do it one at a time, because we're missing one. You have 6 objects. Let's start with this chest here. So that worked. This one. That worked. That worked. Okay, so it's the blood pool. Blood pool is not working. So let's figure this out. Let's get the blood pool opened. So we're doing damage. It's got 10 health. Every time it takes damage, it shrinks. Right? So actually, maybe we'll do on death stop scrubbing there as well. And then all right, so it's taking damage. Every time it takes damage, we say, okay, process the handlers. Boom, boom, boom. Take damage. Took damage. Boom, boom, boom. Then when it finally dies, it calls all the on deaths and then turns this off. Right? And turns itself off. Now, when it takes damage, it lowers the health, and it calls on health changed. Now the blood pool here is listening. Oh, we have... Nope. Nope. You know what? Let's move this to here. And not listen to this. And let the other thing disable it, because I think we had conflict. Yeah. So now let's see if the blood pool does it. Yes, it did. Okay, cool. So now we do this. Okay, that completed the quest. Nice. Okay. Okay. I think this is a good place to stop. We're going to do the bodies next. We have AI, not AI. UI to do, user interface stuff to do, and then that's it. So we knocked out another good chunk. Did some refactoring today. The bubbles aren't still playing, which stinks. So I need to look at that, why the bubbles aren't playing for when you're scrubbing. But other than that, I think we did pretty good. We can get rid of this. We can turn this back into a body method function. Okay. All right. Well, if there's anyone still here, thank you for hanging out. Appreciate that. And if not, I'm talking to myself, but that's okay. So everyone have a good night, and we'll continue this tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get the demo all polished up and we can get that on itch to close out the game jam, this is way overdue. And then we can start working on it and start cleaning up some of the hacks that we put in and actually working on the full game. So, all right, folks, have a wonderful night. Thank you so much.